First, we need to assemble bucket dredger. Let's drag the part to the right place. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Bucket dredger. Let's choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. Press the pump. Done. Let's prepare the rock. Tap on the screen for the ship to continue the action. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. There is a coral reef ahead. Let's turn the wheel to the left to get past the... An island directly ahead. Turn the wheel... Great! We got past all the obstacles. We need to assemble crane ship. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Crane ship. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's build the lighthouse base. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the... There is a coral reef. There are rocks directly ahead. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast to clear the way. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. We need to assemble mast crane. You're doing really great. Filling mast crane. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's place the walls. Now we need to wash it clean. Mast crane. Move the foamer along the ship to soak it up. Drag the washer along the vessel and remove the rest of the foam. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble container ship. Don't stop. First, we have to fill it. Container ship. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's put the top part on. It's time to head for the port. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast so it'll notice. There is a coral reef ahead. Right rudder. There are rocks directly ahead. Left rudder. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. We need to assemble. Red barge! Ready. Let's load the materials into red barge. Let's drag the hook to the freight car to load materials into the ship. Amazing! Let's add the windows and doors. We need to wash. Red barge! Hooray! First, we need to assemble ship carrier. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Ship carrier. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's build the pier. And now, let's repair. Ship carrier. Let's clean the chain and anchor from rust. Let's drag the spray gun to paint the chain and anchor. You're doing really great. We have to assemble Yellow Barge. Amazing! And now, let's load the materials into Yellow Barge. Amazing! Let's add some plants. The lighthouse on the rocks is finished. Now it will show the way to ships.